Hi guys, today we can see the strategy, my hedge strategy, and show you how, how it works on your dollars. This strategy is profitable when there is a trend up, trend down, and suffer when the market is we have a flat market or horizontal trend. But this day about coronavirus, we have a interesting movement about Alcross. And now we start the strategy. This is a Ducas copy broker. I suggest you to use this for my strategy. I can provide for you introducing broker. You can find the link on my website in the description. And you can buy my strategy. It's a strategy in JForex, Java language. You can see here. We don't need about VPS for the expert advisor because Ducascopy broker offer his servers, and his service works 24 hours per day. No problem. So now I started the strategy on the server, remote run, and we start the first day market. When the price reaches the first order, the strategy will be run, and we'll see how it works. Okay, now the order is to market, and we can see the statement about this strategy for example. So this is today. Show you the last 20 days. You can see from 2 March 2020, strategy with 1 mini lot per trade has a strong statement. 90 March, 9 March, we earn 849 US dollar. And the total about this day from 2 March to today is 16 March, is around 2 weeks. We made easy $1,500. Just win 1 mini lot per trade. You can imagine if your account is more big, with about 1 lot per trade, how you can earn. The secret about this strategy is the trend. When you have a trend, you close with loss about $100. Your loss will be $100. But if you have the trend up or down, you can make easy from $200 to $1,000 per day. Doesn't matter about if the trend goes up or down. Okay, now we wait. Here we are still live, and now we check the order before. We have a close hold. because the trend go down for 40 pips, around 40, 42, 43 pips, and we have again something. This is the result: $200, $36 above commission. Net is $210, and this just in 2 hours with the expert advisor. Now we can stop the expert advisor. And as you can see, we have a here because the market moved down. If we move down, we gain. If we move up, we gain. If we stay like this, we no gain, but also we no loss. We lose only if the zigzag is the movement is zigzag for the all order, but we will lose around $100 or $200. If the movement of the trend is big, the gain is not $200 but thousands dollars. Okay, for today I stop the strategy and I keep the gain. If you want this strategy, you can check Edge Trading System, the website. There are the link on this video on the channel. And also for utilize this strategy, you must have the introducing broker Dukascopy Bank, the broker Dukascopy. You have the link ever in the website hedgestrategy.com. Okay, see you soon. Bye.